Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. My name is George Kingori, and today I'm going to show you my ETFs portfolio and how I actually trade my ETFs to ensure that I actually realize good gains. So, as you can be able to see on the quantity, you'll be able to realize that there are some that are quite high and some that are quite low. So, why is this the case? I usually invest in 5 or 6 ETFs at any particular time, and I sell and buy actively based on how they are performing. For example, at this rate of 15.57%, I would sell these ETFs in the iShares Electric Vehicles and Driving Technology ETF. I would sell this and buy the lowest performing at any given time, which is the X Trackers MSCIC World Information Technology ETF, and be able to gain these capital gains on these shares. And that is how I trade. I sell when it gets to at least 15% gain. I sell so that I can be able to realize these gains. Of course, I pay taxes, more taxes than the person who keeps these gains as unrealized on paper, and then buy the ones that are depressed. And this ensures that at any given time I am actually realizing gains, and this has enabled me over the period of time to actually make consistent gains on my portfolios. I also do the same with shares. I do not just hold them in perpetuity, but I hold them until they gain a certain capital gain amount, and my return rate of in return is actually 15%. And then after 15%, I sell and buy the lowest again price ETF based on my portfolio. And that is why I always have 3 or 4 shares remaining in that particular ETF, because it shows me the price indicator of when I can actually be able to sell. So if I were to sell, I sell at 15 or 17 and I buy the 5.65%, because as the stock market works, it is always up and down and up and down. And I buy when it is down and I sell when it is high. In this previous 2 months, September was doing pretty bad, and that was the time I was putting a lot of money, even additional investment, not just investment from amounts that have already received as sold, but even actual amounts from my pocket towards my investment portfolio in September. And in October, November, the prices have been going high, as you can be able to see now. And that was the time I was selling, and that is the time I sold my iShares Global Clean Energy ETF and my Vanguard All World High Dividend ETF. So I sell and then I buy the most depressed share. So you'll be able to see the one that has the lowest gains are the ones that has the highest value. The ones that have the lowest gain, 6.2%, is the ones that have the highest value in terms of the money I've actually invested. And by selling and buying, the way I've showed you, that is how I actually realize my gains in my portfolio, both in shares and ETFs. I hope that you have learned something. You are growing. If you desire to be able to see these videos, remember to comment in the comment section to tell me you desire to see more of portfolios and more of the investments that I do and how I actually do to be able to make capital gains. I hope that you are learning, you are growing, and becoming better in your financial journey. Remember to subscribe to the channel, to comment down in the comment section, and to like this video, because that is the only way that I can know that these videos are making an impact in your life. Thank you and enjoy your day.